Hello guys, share ko sa inyo kung ano yung na-experience namin dito sa panonood ng AEW Wrestling. So yun na nga, medyo nakakalito talaga yung paghanap kung saan ba yung parking. Kasi hindi ka nila papasukin sa main entrance ng stadium. So kinailangan na mag-K-turn or else we have to go back again sa highway. And then akala namin $50 yung parking, yun pala $60. All day na yun. Pero syempre, manonood lang naman kami ng wrestling. And then, there's no special instructions from the outside, inside, or it's not visible. Marami din kaming nakasabayan na ibang tao na manonood na late din, na hindi nasimulan yung opening. Kasi after work, you have to travel all the way. So, yun nga, napalaban kami ng kakalakad. Of course,